Just missed it. All right, there's a weather anomaly here on the radar, or radar anomaly. There's this like thing coming down, and you can see it coming down. Come on, show it in motion again. I just missed it. Trying to get this camera to upload. But I don't know. That looks like, you know, could it be Mountain Dew? Morning Dew? I barely missed it. I don't know. I'm sure I can get it up on the internet. Hold on. All right, check this out now. There's a line. A line is like green, and then it turns like into a thunderstorm. But it's like right aimed at Davenport. It's crazy. And it doesn't show up as well as it did on that one thing, but you can see a line.
There again is that next line of storms. It's looking pretty eastern or western Mercer County.
There's two of them. There's two of them.
Is the new line that has formed the back end of this. So a strengthening situation here to the east of Kingsburg.
Where is it?
This is going to be into
there it is up there. See it? You know, the first one's up there. It's like the. All right, see the line? See, there's like a green line. And then after, then it turns into another line. Oops, already went past? No. Right there, comes across, shoots down. So there's one, and it's like white over here, and then it turns green, and then there's there, right there it is still, it's still there, and then another one, like a laser, right there going through. That one looks more green without the... Alright, I finally found it here. So watch, there's going to be a line that shoots down. Watch this. I might have to go back. Here we go. Alright. Oh, come on. Now it's not going to go backwards? Oh. Okay. Is this it? There it is. There's a line. Shoots down. Oops. See right there? Comes down. Hard getting this. And then just to the south. See it shooting down? See if I can go back. Alright, watch. There it is up there. And it comes down.
Look at this, 3 storms right now. 3 separate supercell, well, 2 separate supercells in one line.
You got another storm coming here really soon. So I went too far back.
Very large. Look at that. Oh, look at that right there. That is very interesting what we've got going on here. So we might have we have a lot of things I think going on with this.
I think it's not letting me go back all the way. All right. Try to watch for this line that comes there. It goes. It comes through. But it keeps pausing it. It keeps stopping it. I had it perfect. I didn't quite get the camera, the recording going quick enough. Well, not re-air, air for the first time because we were blowing over with the zero other coverage at 3:30. So Jeopardy 3 a.m., Wheel of Fortune 3:30 a.m. It's weird because I'm trying to find, it was like 10 till 7 when you really could see it, and then for some reason their last one cut off at 6:30, and then it started back up at 7, so I can't find that footage. So now I'm trying to find that footage here. Okay, there it is up at the top.
Where they are moving toward, because sometimes, you know, these boxes come out
what?
Ahead of the,
do we get something going on now?
Movement, but they don't really account for the south-north movement on these storms. So it's
it's weird because it's like a line, but it just stays right where it's at. Like a, well, now it's, see, this is already, it's still happening now though? No, there we go. See, it's right before 7. That's when I noticed it too.
One thing too I want to take note of is this, you can look at this right here.
Oh my goodness, now the sky is all bright. It just started raining again, but look at how bright the sky is. Before it was green, now it's just, holy Is that supposed to be the sun? Holy I'm gonna say it, holy shit. Holy shit, it's a downpour and there's somehow the sun simulator's coming through. Holy shit, I'm getting soaked. Oh my God. That is so strange. Whoa. I'll turn the brightness down just to see if it... How in the hell is the sun coming through this solid storm? Oh my. That's the... And it looks even crazier with the naked eye. It looks more like that. And it's bright, shining through it. Way brighter than what you're seeing on here. Oh my God, I've never... That's freaky looking. Now the rain's slowing down. Oh my God, I've never seen anything like that in my life. And it's like the top part of the sun is cut off. But you can't see it. I'm gonna lock it. Ah, I can't. Oh my God. Did I just see? They're doing something. I can't get the brightness to. Why won't it? There, finally. It is super bright. Somehow shining through all this storm. Now the rain's finally slowing down, but oh my God, that was the freakiest thing I've ever seen. How in the world is the sun shining through a storm? Whoa! I can feel it just got really humid suddenly. Now there's weird sounds in the sky. What in the heck is going on here? The sun is bright. Hurts the eyes. I'm gonna get my eclipse glasses. I don't know why. Alright, we're up to 7:12 p.m. now. I got my sorry, it's dark. I put it on the brightness setting so I can see this sun thing. Oh my gosh, look at that. This is on the brightness setting at low. Ready? Here's back to normal. Oh my gosh, it's like a weird light bulb. Look at, you can't even, it's so bright. I know what I saw, and I had a raindrop on my glasses and it looked like there was a lightning or something. It's still storming. I'm soaking wet. There's something by the sun. Here comes the rain again, big time. There's something right next to the sun. What is that? Do you see it? I don't know if it's going to come in any better if I turn the brightness down. There's a line next to the sun on the left side. What in the world is going on? There is something I can see with my naked eye too. It looks like a little cloud, but it's just there. This is a line. There's another line up there now. I don't know if it's better with or without the brightness. I am getting soaked. I don't know what is going on. This is the craziest thing ever. Oh, look at this rain coming down and the sun's shining through. How? It's pouring down rain. And somehow the sun is shining through over there. But you can't see because it's so bright. What in the heck is going on? Look at the rain. Let's see it that well that way. Well, I mean, it's just coming down. But somehow the sun is shining. I don't know what I'm witnessing here. What is going on? Well, I'm going to turn the try to turn. It won't let me turn the brightness down again. My phone is so wet. My fingers are wet. Man, I cannot get it to do it. Because if I just point it now, you can't even see it. It's so bright. Look at this thing. And there's a weird, I guess it's clouds. The sun looks totally different. It looks orangish, yellow, white. On this camera it shows white, but it's more weird. It's glowing, it's weird looking, it's not right. Oh my, and how is the sun out at all in a heavy rainstorm? And so bright. Look at the sky. Oh, hold on. Yeah. We're close to sunset. Well, obviously you see where the sun is. Just looking at it, at the sun, hurts my eyes. But not like, you know, on a clear day. But like it used to. It reminds me of how it used to hurt. Like you could look at it for about 5 seconds and it's like, okay, that's enough. I don't know, man. That was some weird stuff. And that one cloud right above the sun looks like a line, if it is a cloud. I guess those are clouds. That's weird looking clouds, though. Oh my goodness. Sorry for the length of this video, but my goodness, look at it, it's getting even brighter. The sky is getting even brighter. And it's the sun's getting brighter. And my floor is getting wetter. Look at that thing. Oh my God, I can't look at it now. It's too bright. What the heck is going on? Pretty soon it's going to be over that house. And it looks a little oblong. It looks a little bulgy, like it's, the sides are a little bulgy. It's not quite round. Oh my goodness. I can't see it with my naked eyes no more. It is too bright. Every time I get the brightness down. Well, guys, now the sky looks really super orange over there, at least through the camera. Oh my goodness, how bright it is. You can see shadows. Look it. What? In a rainstorm. Oh my God, it is super bright. It's so bright, look at it. I have to turn the brightness down to even see it. Alright, this is really weird. I'm gonna have to start another video. Oh my God, look at the sky. It is like dark over here and then bright Hold on, let me get it back. There's like two totally different colors of sky. Well, orange and bright, and then over here it's gray. Wow, I gotta change clothes. I'm soaking wet. All right, thanks for watching. God bless, baby. What the? Why am I getting a weird lens thing? Look at. You see that? There's a circle with a dot inside of a weird lens flare. What in the heck? Look at. Yeah, look at. See it? There's something over there. What in the heck? Maybe there's something on my lens. I don't know. Making that weird effect. All right, it's really pouring down. All right, thanks for watching. God bless.